everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make Copycat Jollibee spaghetti, so let's get started with the video. Begin by prepping your ingredients. Dice 1 onion, and slice 4 hot dogs. I couldn't find any Filipino Red Hot dogs, so I just used regular hot dogs instead. When you're finished prepping your ingredients, set them to the side. In a large pot over medium heat, add olive oil. Then add your diced onions and 2 tablespoons of minced garlic. Sauté your garlic and onions for about 5 minutes or until translucent. Next, add 1.5 pounds of the ground meat of your choice. I'm using ground turkey meat. Then season your meat. I seasoned mine with seasoned salt, pepper, garlic powder, onion powder, and Creole seasoning. Once you finish seasoning, continue to cook your ground meat until it has browned. After browning the meat, add your sliced hot dogs. Then add 3 tablespoons of tomato paste and cook it for about 5 minutes to cook off the acidity. Next, add 28 ounces of crushed tomatoes. After adding the crushed tomatoes, mix in 2 cups of banana ketchup. Then add 2 tablespoons of condensed milk. Next, add 1 teaspoon of salt, a half a teaspoon of pepper, 1.5 tablespoons of brown sugar, two tablespoons of soy sauce, and 2 tablespoons of fish sauce. Mix everything together until well combined and then let your sauce simmer for 30 minutes. Once your sauce has finished cooking, set it to the side. Next, in a large pot of water, add salt. Bring the pot of water to a boil and then add spaghetti noodles. Boil your noodles for however long it says to on the box. Once your noodles have finished cooking, you can go ahead and plate everything up. Top your spaghetti with some cheddar or mozzarella cheese and you are all finished. And this is the finished result. This spaghetti was absolutely delicious. I have really liked Filipino spaghetti ever since I had it at Jollibee's. But the only Jollibee's near me is way too far away, so I'm glad I'll be able to make it at home. The recipe is easy, simple, and tastes great, so I totally recommend giving it a try. Alright, that's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Everything I used in this video will be down in the description below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!